Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another wig install video. So today's wig is going to be a simple, quick wig install that is perfect for beginners and on the go girls. And y'all know I love me a quick wig install, so let's get into it. Alright, first of all, let me just talk about the lace, the hairline, the bleach knots, all of that good stuff. Y'all, this wig from MyFirstWig did its thing, okay? Check out the invisible lace, check out the pre-plucked hairline, check out the bleach knots. I did absolutely nothing to this wig. Again, I am just here for the wigs that is simple, easy to install. I ain't got to do a whole lot, and I definitely don't have to worry about knowing how to bleach knots and pluck hairlines and make my wig and stuff look good. I can do all that, but who got time for that? So I appreciate MyFirstWig for doing all those steps for me, girl, because it makes a difference with the wig for sure. All right, so of course we already know we're gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Now here what I'm doing is basically carving out like my ear shape. So basically I'm making the lace go behind my ears. And so after I cut the lace going behind my ears so that the lace lays properly on my head, I'm going to start to pull out some of the hairs around the hairline. Now I honestly like to do this when it comes to securing my wig. So when it comes to secure my wig, I saw this method on TikTok and fell in love with it. So basically what you do is you take any type of holding spray that you want to use and apply it directly on a makeup brush. Take that makeup brush and apply it directly on the lace, and then brush the baby hairs or the hairs into the actual hair. I'll show you a little bit later on what exactly I mean. So again, just spray the hairspray on the brush, push the brush into the lace in the hairline, and then that should actually help you secure the lace, get a more clean install. Because if you've ever installed a wig where you're spraying stuff, girl, that spray go everywhere but your damn lace, everywhere but your damn hairline. So I actually like this method a lot better. And then I also want to slow down the clip so you girls can really see how good this lace looks. Just look at it. Watch me check up on you, watching me shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, come over and check up on it. 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 Okay, girls, so the wig is pretty much secured. Now, if you want, you can definitely tie down the hairline and move on to styling. But, I mean, I'm not going to do that because I don't feel the need to do so. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting this 13x6 air lace frontal wig. And basically, of course, I'm just cutting in a zigzag motion, avoiding a straight across cut because that's going to give you a unnatural shape to your hairline. Yeah, so don't do that. Just cut in real small zigzags. Also, y'all, the texture of this wig is a Yaki texture, which I mentioned, I believe, already earlier in the video. And this is 160% density, and it is a 10-inch wig. So for those of you who are kind of new to the whole wig gang or don't really understand hair textures, girl, if you are looking for a texture that mimics relaxed hair, girl, get you this wig, get you this texture. Okay, this texture is so bomb. I love how full it is, but I also love how straight it can get, but not like super silky. I don't like that silky stuff because it can start to look real thin. So I mentioned that this lace is called air lace. Girl, I can't keep up with all these different names of lace, like literally. So a little background on the air lace: is supposed to be a more softer, durable lace, and it also supposed to be a lot more breathable. Sometimes when you get lace frontal wigs, the lace can be really hard and it could just feel like your hair underneath is not going to be able to breathe. So I did notice with this particular lace, the lace was really soft. And some of you may be like, okay, why does that matter if the lace is soft or not? It matters because if you have a hard lace, it can definitely cause friction to your own hair. It can cause friction up against your stocking cap and cause your install not to last long.
check up on it. Got it, flown it, boy, I know you want it. While I turn around you, watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Come over and 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 check up on it. Come
Okay, girl, so this wig is definitely turning out cute as I knew it would. So I'm just going to do a little baby hair, girl. I got to, okay? This wig deserves a little baby hair. So I just flip that thing on up, honey, and then I'm about to swoop it in. Now, to give me a little bit more hold, I do go in with gel for my baby hairs. Again, just to add an extra layer of protection. And trust me, the baby hair and the wig ain't going nowhere. This wig is so pretty, y'all. Like the texture, the hairline, the lace, the pre-plucked hairline, like it's so pretty. This is definitely going to be a wig that is in heavy rotation this spring. I mean, I think all my bald wigs are, but none of my bald wigs really match up to this. Like the texture, the density, the hairline, the lace. Like this wig is literally the full package. Okay, yes ma'am. This wig is definitely giving it's my hair. This wig is so pretty. The install was so easy and quick. As you can see, it took very minimum effort to get this type of look. So I'm going to leave everything below in the description bar. Make sure you guys check MyFirstWig out because they are running a sale right now, girl. Save your coins and get this wig.